Alright, I've probably had way too much coffee to do this video, but here goes. So, it's got a craft&ride Spectrum magnetic fender, the OneWheel Pint, and I'm going to go over putting it on. So, I gotta say, they really care about who's buying their stuff, because this stuff is super quality, and they wrap better than my grandmother on Christmas. Anyway, so I got to this point, and I said, you needed your Fender delete, which was at my business, which is actually a flotation tank business, which is awesome, hence the float. So anyway, I went there, took off my regular Fender, put back the Fender delete, and then you have these little magnets that you put on, and they're super, super strong. You'll see a picture of me pulling it up, holding it soon. They're pretty easy, super easy. I'd definitely recommend using like a star bit. It takes forever for the little Allen keys, but it's good for you to pay attention to make sure your board's in good shape. But I really like this, the Fender, just because, there you go, I'm lifting it up. I'm super strong. But anyway, here's some pictures of it. It's super good, looks awesome, incredibly clean. I love this. I've had this board for nearly a month. We've scratched it up, taught my little girl to ride it, all sorts of stuff, but this looks super cool. Love that float plate from Float Supply. Anyway, there's that craft and ride, super easy to put on. Have a good one. Thank you very much.